In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose your workflow actions in Hubspot. If you're looking to streamline your business processes and make them more efficient, you've come to the right place. Workflows are one of the most powerful tools in Hubspot, helping you automate repetitive tasks and save valuable time. Let's dive right in and break down the steps to get your workflow set up effectively. First, head over to the Hubspot website. Open your preferred internet browser and type in Hubspot's homepage URL, or simply search for HubSpot using a search engine. Once the homepage opens, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. Next, log into your HubSpot account by clicking the login button. Typically in the upper right corner of the homepage, enter your email and password associated with your HubSpot account. If you use single sign-on or other login methods, you can select those options accordingly. Once logged in, you'll land at the HubSpot dashboard, your central hub for all tools and data. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if it's your first time using HubSpot. From the dashboard, look for the automations option on the menu. It's usually along the top or side panel, depending on your layout settings. Clicking automations will take you to a section dedicated to setting up and managing automations. This section is where you can gain an overview of all your active workflows and see their performance metrics at a glance. Next, navigate to the Workflows section by clicking the Workflows button. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to view existing workflows or create new ones. Once there, you're ready to start making edits. Find and click on Edit Actions within the Workflows page. Editing actions allows you to customize what happens at each stage of your workflow, adding, removing, or tweaking actions as necessary to fit your business needs. Now, delve deeper into the workflow by locating the Edit button and selecting it. This opens a specific workflow you want to modify, giving you full visibility and control over each step of the process. HubSpot provides helpful tooltips and examples here, so don't hesitate to hover over options to understand their functionality. Don't be afraid to explore the different tabs or sections within the workflow, as these options allow you to optimize the workflow for maximum efficiency. Finally, the Add Action button awaits your click. This is crucial because it lets you integrate new actions into your workflow, triggered at precise moments based on specific criteria. Think about the processes you want to automate, whether it's sending emails, updating data, notifying team members, or creating tasks for follow-up, and add them accordingly. Testing your workflow with a sample contact before going live can prevent errors and ensure smooth operation. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to choosing your workflow actions in HubSpot. Thank you for tuning in, and happy automating.